Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see on a map a line of 5 cm represents 2 meter. Construct a scale long enough to measure 5.3 meter. Using this scale, draw a pentagon of side 2.4 meter. So it's a plane scale sum. So first we will draw the guideline. So you can draw 5 mm guideline. After drawing guidelines, we'll start with the given data. So in given we have drawing length on a map, a line of 5 cm. So that is drawing length. So drawing length is how much? 5 cm. Then it represents 2 meter. So that is actual length. So actual length is 2 meter. Then if you see maximum length is 5.3 meter. So we will round off to 6. Always remember, maximum length can't be in decimal. Then we'll write, first we need to find out representative fraction. So we know representative fraction is what? Drawing length upon actual length. So what is drawing length? 5 cm. What is actual length? 2 meter. So we'll do 5 upon 200. So this is RF. Then we know length of scale is equal to RF into ml. RF is 5 upon 200 into maximum length is 6 meter. 6 into 100. So it will be 15 centimeter. So we'll draw 15 centimeter long line and we'll take height 5 millimeter to draw plane scale. After this, we'll divide this line into 6 parts because maximum length is 6 meter. So we'll write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is meter, and we'll divide the first block into 10 parts. So So that is decimeter. We'll write RF over here. RF is how much? 5.200. We'll write meter and decimeter. Meter on right side, decimeter on left side. After that, we'll divide the first block into 10 parts. After getting 10 parts, we'll write 0, 5 and 10. Now we need to mark 2.4 meter. So we'll take 4 from here, 4 decimeter and 2 meter. So this way we'll mark 2.4 meter. After that, we'll take this distance and we will draw pentagon. I hope all of you know how to draw pentagon by 54 degree method. So we use that method. So first you mark the distance and you take 54, 54 and you draw a circle and you mark side. So I hope everyone understood this sum. Thank you.